Hello, my name is David Garcia and I am presenting my project Safety Seatbelt System for Race Cars. The reason as to why I have interest in this project is because I want a better understanding of how these systems work. For example, how much force do drag cars created, the strength of these old belts, and how to create a better seat belt. The area where this application would the mechanic system and the transfer function because there are moving parts and there are output and input.
Race car seat belts are genus different than typically normal seat belts. They are thicker, stronger, and can come with 5 straps. This would mean that they are overall safer than your normal consumer seat belts. Race car seat belt do not has the mechanic system like your normal seat belt. With that, it would also mean that it doesn't have a timer to lock the seat belt. The plan is to view past race car crashes and see how safe they keep the driver. I would also see how fast these cars would go. I will be using MATLAB to create graphs, and for the complex equations. I would use the Laplace equation for time function. By the end of this project, we will be looking for the time when it locks and what force will cause the seat belts to lock.